So we have our text here, then we're gonna have to click on this button, then animate, and then here we have position. Here in animator one, we have add. Click on add, and then here we have opacity. Select your opacity, and then we're gonna decrease the opacity, and then from here where it says position, I'm gonna enter minus 1000. Actually, I'll go with this number. It's up to you here. You can also go with plus. Depends now from where you like the animation to move. Here we're gonna have to expand, arrange selector 1, go to advanced. Here we have characters, select words for based on, and then for square, here for shape, select ramp up. Then we're gonna add some ease low, increase that. And then from here, we're just gonna, here for offset, we're gonna enter minus 100, and then at the end here, 100. And then this is what we have. I'm just gonna select this animator one that we added. So I'll just select animator one. When you select, you're gonna see here animation and then save animation preset. You have to go to documents, and then here in documents you go to Adobe. Here in Adobe you go to After Effects 2025 or the version. Then here you go to user presets, and then here you can just name your file. And then here you can also click on this button, refresh list, animation preset, user presets, and you have sliding text. And let's see if it works now. We apply this to this text. Let me delete this one here. So now we can just apply this to our text, and as you can see, it works just fine.